Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to bring you a brand new skincare video today. And today I'm talking about an old favorite of mine. I have done a video on one of these products here before. So today I'm going to be talking to you about my new skincare regime. And lately I have been using a dear favorite of mine, and that is Elle Derm. They are an Australian made and owned company. They have amazing products. They are vegan and cruelty free. They have amazing, really powerful, gentle ingredients for your skin that really clears them up, anti-aging, all that good stuff. They have products for all different kinds of skin concerns, but today I'm going to be talking to you about their age reversal system, which you can apply to your skincare routine in 3 simple steps. So if you think investing in your skin's health for the future is something that you are interested in, then make sure you keep on watching as I demonstrate how to use this 3-step age reversal system by Elle Derm. And you want to start off with the Anti-Stress Skin Renewal Face Wash. And this is a massive 120 mils. It contains glycolic acid and green tea extract, which is great for your skin. It really cleanses the pores deep down inside. It also gently exfoliates, which is great. So it preps the skin for other products which follow on after you cleanse in your normal skin routine anyway. Any products that you want to use after you cleanse, you want them to have the best absorption possible. And with a product like that, it really preps your skin, getting ready for those products so they can absorb deep down into the skin. Not only that, this product does refine the skin's texture and optimizes the pH level in the skin, which is really great. You don't want your cleanser to strip your skin of its natural oils and things like that. You really want that balance to be right for the most perfect skin possible that you can have, and that's really important for anti-aging as well. You really don't want a product that's going to dry your skin out and really enhance those wrinkles that come through when you have dry skin. So this product is super easy to use. All you want to do is use 1 to 2 pumps of this product, gently massage it into your skin, cleansing away all the dirt and makeup or anything else that you have and any excess oils on the skin. You can leave this on for 1 to 2 minutes. That's going to give you the best results. It's super gentle, and after that you just gently rinse it away with some water, and then on to the second step. So the second product I have here, I love this one, it's so beautiful. It's the Luminous Silk Serum with hyaluronic acid B3, 10% of that, which is the nicotinamide serum, as well as a PPE of 2.5%. Now this is best to use with a broad spectrum sunscreen, and you want to do a patch test before use just to make sure that this is right for your skin. Like any products that you use, you'd want to do a patch test first. Now this is a clinical grade blemish serum. It's going to be really great if you have acne prone skin, but it's also really great for anti-aging as well. It's really targeted for those problem areas on your skin, so you can use it to just affected areas that you want to concentrate on, or you can use it all over the skin, which is what I do, just a light amount. It does come in this beautiful little dropper, which makes it so easy to apply, so easy to get the right amount of product out. You only need a tiny amount. A little does go a long way with this. It's such a great product. It's really great at correcting uneven skin tone in particular, which is what I tend to have sometimes. It can be really quite frustrating. So to have something to even that color out in my skin, and also the texture, the tone, everything like that, is really helpful, and you can really see the difference when you use this. I should also mention all of these products can be used both morning and night. So if you do want to incorporate this 3-step system into your skincare routine, you can do it both morning and nighttime. On to the 3rd step, we have the Elle Derm Antistress Age Perfecter. This is the day and the night cream. Like I said, you can use these morning and night. It's so beneficial. I definitely do that in my skincare routine. Again, this does have the hyaluronic acid as well as the squalane and the prebiotics, so it's very, very healthy for your skin. It's such an amazing product. It's scientifically and clinically proven, like all of Elle Derm products. They definitely know what they're doing when it comes to skincare. This product is so great at strengthening the skin barrier, so you're going to have nice, strong, healthy skin, which is definitely great for anti-aging. You don't want something that's going to be thin and break down easily. That's definitely not what you want. You want to keep that skin in tip-top condition, nice and strong as you age. So that's definitely something that's very important when it comes to skincare. So I should also mention none of Elle Derm's products contain any silicons, parabens or SLS in their products, and this age reversal system is of course suitable for all skin types. So if you think this is a skincare range that you would be interested in, Elle Derm do offer free shipping over $49, and they do ship Australia wide. All of their products, including these guys here, are available on their website. I'll have it linked on the screen here for you and down below to make it super easy. They do also offer Afterpay, which makes it really easy, and their shipping turnaround is really fast as well. you can rest assured in these products. Don't just take my word for it. Check out their website. They've got so many 5-star reviews. This brand is top of their game. You really need to check it out. They're so effective. I mean, look at my skin. I am almost 38 and it's just doing wonders for my skin. It's so amazing. I'm so impressed, and I'm definitely going to continue using Elle Derm products. They are just fantastic. And you can rest assured that you're investing your money really well with Elle Derm, because they do offer a 30-day money back guarantee, which is amazing. You can give it a try and know that if you're not completely satisfied, you can get your money back. Not that you will need to. Trust me, these products are amazing. They are so effective and they definitely work. So I really hope you enjoyed my review. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope the demonstration was also helpful. So thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. All the details will be down below in the description box if there's anything that you're curious about, and I really hope that you will find this 3-step age reversal system really helpful for yourself as well, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.